What up, guys? I'm back. So I'm currently at $18,292. I'm down $792. Earned dividends that's at 348, and then today it is Wednesday the 7th. So this morning I did make a couple buys, just dollar cost averaging still. Playing small. I bought $80 worth of Amazon. I bought around $88 mark. OXY. I added around 63. I added some BlackRock real estate company, BX, the past few days as well. I added around $77, and then Citigroup, I added $30 worth, around $44. So yeah, just still dollar cost averaging small every week, and yeah, I still got plenty of buying power pretty much. Just being patient as the days go by. I'm expecting a dip, so yeah, just yeah, I'll be ready if it does dip. And then I did adjust my how much I'm putting in weekly. Right now I'm adding 100 or 200 bucks every week. So I did minimize that just a bit because I do have a lot of buying power, so it's just like every week I just have money sitting. So yeah, but yeah, if it does dip even like a lot more, I'll be more aggressive and use up this buying power. But yeah, just trying to be patient. Dollar cost averaging, that's the best way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't been really selling lately, just been buying very small. And yeah, that's pretty much all. See you guys next week. Peace.